Hello, welcome back. I'm Jamie. Today I'll be doing a demonstration of my chopper. I have two sizes. I have the small one, which I've been starting to chop up veggies now, and I have the large one, which can hold a whole lot more and you can chop a whole lot more. You can also use it to make pudding mixes, pancake mixes, other stuff like that. But that's for another day, and I'll do another demonstration on that later on. Today, as I said, I started to prep my veggies for my supper. I've used my chopper already to chop off my celery. It's very fine, just the way I like it. I don't like them too chunky. And now I'm going to show you how this works with my other veggies I'm going to use tonight. So I'm going to make sure that you're very careful with the blade. It is very, very sharp. So I'm going to put my pieces in here like this. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to put it on a flat surface, my hand on top, and I'm going to give it a few pulls. 1, 2, 3. Look inside. It's pretty much chopped except for one piece. So I'm going to put the lid back on, maybe give it a shake, and give it 2 more pulls. And there I have my chopped yellow pepper. Then I'm going to dump it out. You don't have to dump it out. You can chop everything in there. I just prefer to do it that way so it doesn't get too full, and I pulverize my yellow pepper. Because that can happen too, but it's what you like. I have used this to grate cheddar cheese and carrots. You just cannot use big chunks of carrots because the first few pulls are a bit harder. You do not want to break the string, but if that happens on normal wear and tear that the string does break, this is under guarantee for life. They will replace it for you. So I have some mushrooms now. I'm just going to put some in and do the same thing. Just cut into little tinier pieces because this is a small one, not the large chopper. And then I'm going to put my top back on, and same thing, flat surface, my hand on top, and give it a few pulls. And there I go. I got my chopped mushrooms, nice and small, just the way I like it. Again, make sure you're careful with the blade. It is sharp. And for the final thing I want in my mixed veggies tonight, not very many, but is some feta cheese. Again, tiny little pieces, flat surface, my hand on top, and just give it a few pulls, and voila. I got my shredded, broken up feta cheese. Feta cheese falls apart naturally anyway, but it does make it more fine if that's how you like it. And in the thing it goes. Now to wash it, this is a very easy thing to wash. It doesn't take very much. Again, you really don't want to be playing with the blade. It is sharp. I do not want to see anybody with cut fingers. So what you can do, I don't know if you can see, is that you're going to add some water, just a bit of dish soap, and then you're going to, again, just put it on like you would if you had fruits and veggies. Give it a good swirl a few times. When you notice it's nice and clean, I have no more food. And just give this a rinse. It comes out very clean, but you know, with cheese, I do have to probably scrub this a little bit more and carefully scrub this, but it's pretty clean. For things like just your fruits and veggies that you have, it just rinses like that. Water in here, bit of soap, you put the lid on, close it, pull the cord a few times, and then you have your clean chopper ready to go. To store it, I don't have small children, but I have teenagers, but I still, you know, always store my blade like this when it's wet, and I put it in the cupboard so nobody tries to play with it or thinks that it's not that sharp, so no one gets hurt. And after I'm done, it's all dried, I put my safety guard back on. For a neat little trick, because you really don't want to get the cord wet, if you really need to scrub this part more, this is easy to pull apart. All you need is a butter knife. There is a little opening slot right here, and you can plop the two open so this stays nice and dry, and you can scrub this down as you please till it's nice and clean and you're happy with it. So that is it. That is my chopper. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye.